Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Taisha's Cuisine, where you find all the best, healthy, delicious, mouth-watering Haitian food recipes on YouTube. Today, guys, I am excited to share this detox drink with you. This juice is absolutely delicious and healthy at the same time. I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking this juice doesn't taste good, but no, it is super delicious. Even my kids enjoy to have some of it, and I guarantee you that you are going to love it. And not only that, you are putting some healthy stuff in your body. It is a great juice for detox. If you're looking for a detox drink, I would recommend that you give this a try. So definitely you will need a juicer. I am going to use the Bella to prepare mine. I hope you have some sort of juicer at home, and I would definitely recommend that you get everything that you see here in this video. Just make a list before you go to the grocery store to get everything: celeries, green apple, lime, pear, parsley, and cucumbers. And just in case you don't have the time to look it up to find out what these are good for, celeries are really good for the liver. It's good for high blood pressure. It fights infections. It prevents ulcer. It's good for weight loss as well. It's anti-cancer. Celery is also good for the kidney, your skin. Also, it's good for migraines. Cucumber is good for constipation. It fights cancer. It's also good for weight loss. There's a long list of things that I don't have the time to go through, but parsley is also great. It's really good for anemia. If you're trying to fight anemia, parsley prevents anemia. And if you're trying to do a colon cleansing, definitely I would recommend that you add parsley. And it's also good for the immune system. Green on the inside, clean on the inside. But you have to make sure that you wash your vegetables and your fruits very, very well before you start juicing. If you don't clean them, I don't know what you're doing, because all the bacteria, all the dirt will get inside the juice. It's like there's no point. So I'm making sure that I wash these very well. The vegetables, the fruits. And another trick, I use the baking soda to clean the vegetables as well. So definitely give it a try. So yeah, guys, let's get started. Be sure that you have the juicer. I hope you have one at home, because there's no way you're going to be able to make this juice if you don't have a juicer. So now that I'm done finishing washing my vegetables, I am going to start juicing. As you can see, my vegetables look super clean. Super clean, okay? And I hope that you took the time to wash your vegetables as well. So I am going to start juicing. So let's get started. Take your juicer and let's make this happen. And your body is going to thank you. I know some people will be tempted to add water into this. You don't need to add water at all, because the celery, the cucumber, the lime, what else? The green apples, they will give you lots of juice. You don't need to worry about, am I gonna make enough juice? Because if you get a pack of celery and at least 2 or 3 cucumbers, these things will give you lots of juice. So you don't need to add water at all. I did not add water because you want the full benefit of this juice, okay guys? So now, if you like everything that you are seeing so far, please consider to subscribe if you haven't done so. Taisha's Cuisine is posting lots of healthy recipes, delicious Haitian food, and I'm also posting lots of videos about life. I speak about life, anything that you can think of. If you have any suggestions for me, do not hesitate to comment and send me a request. I am taking the time to work on your request, guys. And I take pride in putting healthy stuff on this channel. As you can see, I keep it simple. My recipes are very simple, quick and easy to follow. And if you find it useful, let me know. And if you have any requests, let me know, because I'm here to help you guys. This is the purpose of subscribing to Taisha's Cuisine. You get life topics, you get juice, you get food recipes, and also I post about my natural hair journey. Taisha's Cuisine channel will be beneficial for you if you are a mom, a dad, a husband, a wife, a brother, a sister, a cousin, a friend, a coworker. Definitely invite all your friends and your family. Send in your requests to me. I will definitely try my best to respond back to you guys. So after I juice all the vegetables and the fruits, what I did, I use a strainer to strain everything that I don't want in the juice. Definitely, I would recommend that you do that as well, because it will make it so much easier for you to enjoy this green juice. So I'm using a strainer to remove all the excess things that I don't need in the juice. It's my preference. If you prefer to enjoy it this way, just go ahead and leave it as it is. But it's my preference. I am straining all the excess things that I don't need in the juice. I believe it makes it so much easier to enjoy it like this. So there you have it, guys. I actually intended to make this juice for my husband and I, but I was so surprised to see how much the kids enjoyed it. I was just so amazed. They loved it. They were fighting pretty much over it. They're like, my turn, my turn. I actually have a little clip at the end of this video to show you how much they enjoyed this juice. So definitely you are going to love it. It's a healthy choice for yourself, your kids, and your friends. When you have your friends over, invite them and give them some green juice, some healthy choice. I really hope that you love this video. As usual, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will give this a try.